Survival gadgets every man should own. Survival gadgets are essential tools for anyone who loves the outdoors, especially for men who value self-reliance and preparedness. Whether you're planning a camping trip, hiking in the wilderness, or simply want to be prepared for emergencies, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. From tools that help you start fires and stay warm to devices that ensure you're never without power, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier in the most challenging situations. Rapid rope. Imagine being out in the wilderness, needing to secure something, but your rope is tangled, knotted, or just not long enough. That's where rapid rope comes in. Rapid rope is one of those survival gadgets that completely changes the game. Unlike traditional ropes, which are bulky and hard to manage, rapid rope comes in a compact canister designed to dispense the rope smoothly without any fuss. It's incredibly convenient because you don't have to worry about knots or tangles. You can cut off exactly how much you need, whether it's a few inches to tie something small or several feet for a more extensive project. The rope itself is ultra strong and can hold hundreds of pounds, which is essential when you're in a survival situation and need reliable gear. Überleben tinder wick and bellow. When it comes to starting a fire, nothing beats the reliability of the Überleben tinder wick and bellow. This is not your typical fire-starting gadget. It's a unique tool that combines a wick and a bellow into one compact device. The tinder wick acts as a fire starter by using a wax temp rope that burns slowly and steadily, giving you plenty of time to light your fire. Whether you're starting a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling for help, the Überleben tinder wick gives you control in any condition. It can be used even in damp environments, which is a huge advantage over traditional matches or lighters that may fail in wet conditions. The bellow feature is another genius aspect of this tool. Pannage reheater. One of the biggest challenges in survival situations, especially in cold environments, is staying warm. That's where the pannage reheater comes into play. This portable heater is designed to provide warmth even in the most frigid conditions. The pannage reheater is compact, easy to carry, and runs on minimal fuel, making it an essential addition to any survival kit. It uses an efficient heating system that conserves energy while providing a steady flow of warmth. Whether you're in a tent, a cabin, or out in the open, this heater can make the difference between a comfortable night's sleep and a dangerous drop in body temperature. What makes the pannage reheater stand out from other portable heaters is its rugged design and reliability. It's built to withstand outdoor elements like wind and rain, ensuring that it works when you need it most. Lockhart status. When you think of essential survival gear, a sharp and reliable knife is always at the top of the list, and the Lockhart status is no ordinary knife. It's a multifunctional tool that combines the versatility of a survival knife with the durability needed for tough outdoor conditions. The Lockhart status is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it can withstand heavy use without dulling or breaking. The blade is sharp enough to cut through tough materials like rope, wood, and even small branches, making it ideal for tasks like building a shelter or preparing food. But it's not just the blade that makes this knife special. The handle is ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use even in difficult conditions. Odoo camping and backpacking stove. Food and water are essential for survival, and cooking in the wild can be challenging without the right tools. The Odoo camping and backpacking stove is the perfect solution for anyone looking to cook meals on the go. This compact stove is designed for efficiency, offering a powerful heat source in a small portable package. It's lightweight and easy to set up, which is crucial when you're traveling light and need to conserve energy. With a fuel-efficient design, the Odoo stove ensures you can cook multiple meals with minimal fuel, which is ideal for long camping trips or emergencies where resources are limited. What sets this stove apart from other portable stoves is its versatility. Outtask telescopic lantern. When the sun goes down and darkness takes over, having reliable lighting becomes essential for both safety and functionality. The Outtask telescopic lantern is an innovative gadget that provides bright, long-lasting light in a compact, portable design. What makes this lantern unique is its telescopic feature. It can expand to provide more light when you need it or collapse into a small, easy-to-carry size when you don't. This means you can use it as a bright lantern to light up your campsite or as a compact flashlight for hiking at night. The Outtask telescopic lantern is also highly durable and built to withstand the rough conditions of the outdoors. It's water-resistant and impact-resistant, ensuring that it continues to function even if it gets wet or drop. Infinite Air 5T. One of the most critical aspects of survival is having access to power, and the Infinite Air 5T is a compact wind turbine that ensures you can generate electricity even when you're off the grid. This portable wind turbine is small enough to fit in your backpack, but powerful enough to charge your devices, power small appliances, or even provide light in a survival situation. The Infinite Air 5T is designed to work in low wind conditions, meaning you don't need extreme weather to generate power. This makes it a reliable option for outdoor adventures, especially when you're camping in remote areas where access to electricity is limited. Light cans. If you're in a survival situation, staying hydrated is key, but clean drinking water isn't always easy to come by. That's where light cans come into the picture. These portable water purification cans are designed to filter and purify water, ensuring that you have access to clean drinking water even in the most challenging environments. Each light can is compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, or emergency preparedness. The can filters out bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful contaminants, making even murky water safe to drink. What makes light cans even more impressive is their simplicity. There's no complicated setup or maintenance involved, just fill the can with water, and it does the rest. Survival Belt 2.0. The Survival Belt 2.0 is a fantastic multi-tool that combines the functionality of a belt with the practicality of essential survival gear. At first glance, it looks like a regular belt, but hidden within its design are a variety of survival tools that could come in handy in an emergency. The buckle of the belt includes a knife, a fire starter, a bottle opener, and a flashlight, all of which are seamlessly integrated into the belt's sleek design. This means that even if you find yourself without your typical survival gear, you'll always have some essential tools at your disposal. One of the best features of the Survival Belt 2.0 is its durability. Made from high-strength materials, the belt itself is designed to withstand extreme wear and tear. Opus OP Lite. Finally, we have the Opus OP Lite, a lightweight, compact power generator that's perfect for anyone who spends time off the grid. Unlike traditional generators that are bulky and difficult to transport, the Opus OP Lite is designed to be portable and user-friendly. Despite its small size, it packs a punch when it comes to generating power, allowing you to charge your devices, power small appliances, and keep essential survival gear running. Whether you're camping, hiking, or dealing with a power outage, the Opus OP Lite ensures you have the energy you need to stay connected and safe. What sets the Opus OP Lite apart from other portable generators is its efficiency. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.